besties, I'm Jen.
I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're complete opposites. I am an overthinker. Overthink everything. Shannon is a it is what it is kind of person.
Well, until the overthinking starts.
And then I make her mad. I irritate her when I'm like, what if? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. She's like, stop.
Knock your shit off.
Bullshit. She said, knock your bullshit off. Yeah.
Today, we have these makeup mystery bundles from BeautyPass. If you don't know BeautyPass, they do this thing called Free Gift Friday. They send you a link. You can get a product for free with just $12.99 shipping. Products are like $100 products.
They're always high-end, top of the line,
yes.
Good stuff. If you're not prescribed to Free Gift Friday, you need to.
Go.
Do it.
Go now.
Stop this video and go.
It's from BeautyPass. If you need it, here's a QR code.
Alamis, Elizabeth Arden,
Yes.
Clinique.
I've gotten hair products from them.
Huge brands.
Brands that you don't want to pay full price for because you're going to pay $120 for one item.
Yeah, there was 3 skin once.
Yeah. 1 skin?
Yeah.
3 skin? Whatever. All right, so these were free plus shipping.
So, okay.
They did a special like Christmas bundle situation. You could get a makeup bundle. You could get a skincare bundle. There was just this beauty bundle, which was
a mixture of
both.
And we were curious.
Yeah, I hadn't seen them do this before.
I've never seen a mystery bag before.
So I'm assuming this is them trying to get rid of leftovers from a Free Gift Friday that didn't sell through.
We'll take it.
I'm fine with that.
We're fine with that.
All right.
Okay.
I've got this elephant in my bag and I need to pull it out.
Pull it
I
out.
looked in there and it was the thing I saw. It said, "Ooh, I got my money worth." This is from Luxie.
These are my favorite kind of brushes. You know this.
I know.
What is this?
This is their flat top kabuki brush.
Yes, it is.
So Jen's going to probably use this for blush. I am going to use this for foundation.
I am going to use this for blush. That's funny that you knew that.
I mean, it's exactly what it says. It is a flat top kabuki brush.
Yes.
Luxie brushes are nice. We used to get a Luxie brush every other month in the original Ipsy bag. I don't know if you still do. We don't get the regular Ipsy bag, but the brushes are really nice quality.
So beautiful. I love the way they feel. They feel like clouds.
This is the classic Luxie brush color. I never meant to get a Luxie brush.
Never. Love this. So excited.
So now you know why I looked in my bag and said,
yeah,
okay, so
I saw it.
There was 3 items total: the brush, a tuber, and a box. Where do you want to go next? Tuber or box?
Surprise me.
Box.
Okay.
This is from Sia. This is the Change Agent Original Lipstick Magnetic. We're gonna trade colors.
Okay.
This is Daring Pink.
This is Maple Brown. This makes me more comfortable.
I saw the pink flash by my face, and then I looked at mine and I was like, I'm not wearing Maple Brown lipstick.
All of a sudden, we're both much more comfortable. Oh, the packaging's beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What is it? Is this giving Dior?
Kind of, yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is much less hot pink than the box
This
looks.
color is so beautiful.
Okay. Oh, that's more orange than I anticipated too. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's close. But
I
look at,
love this.
I guess maybe. All right, I'm swatching this thing.
Same.
Oh, yes. This is beautiful.
So creamy. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited about this.
I mean, I don't often wear a pink lipstick, but this is, it said magnetic, so.
Oh, I didn't catch that part.
Okay.
I love the packaging.
Yes.
This is beautiful. I'm wondering how much this retails for.
Google that. Sia, S-I-I-A. Voluminous lips, rich pigment, long wearing.
You guys, look at the picture I took of my godson in the window.
I tell the boys that Aunt Jen's coming to visit, and one of them at least always goes and sits in the window to watch.
I love them.
Sometimes both of them.
SIIA lipstick.
Yep, right there.
Is it long wear?
No, this is change agent, but
not
okay.
liquid.
No. You're going to the SIA website now, though.
That's not what you wanted?
No, that's perfect.
Lips.
It's sold out. $20.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Not super expensive, but not drugstore either.
No, but these are expensive.
I know.
This is probably $25 brush.
I think that they said the bag was worth $75.
Okay.
So
okay.
$25 a product.
Yep, that's about right.
All right.
Ready? Yep.
Cream Stay Shadow Stick from Glow Skin. I got the color Orbit.
How do you know?
It says on the other side. You got Concord. So yours is a little more purple. A little more purple. Mine is gray.
How do you know?
Because look at them. Look, yours is darker.
Are you going to swatch?
I'm going to swatch.
All right, let's swatch. Oh, it's definitely purple.
And it's matte. It's very gray matte.
I don't know how I feel about this. So,
I'm going to be honest. This is probably going to be an eyeliner for me.
Okay. Yeah. I could do this as an eyeliner because I'm like, I would never wear that as a lid color.
You might if you're going to put a glitter on top of it.
If I'm going to put a glitter on top, I might. But this is not a typical, like...
I wonder... Okay.
So it's move fast.
You can smoke it out, though.
Yeah. Let me... How much? Oh, about roughly $25 then.
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, what do you think?
I think for $12.99, I can't be mad.
I would have been happy to pay $12.99 for this. I'm not going to lie.
Yes. So to get an eyeshadow crayon that we may or may not use, a beautiful new lip color, and a beautiful component for $12.99.
You guys, stop everything you're doing and go.
If you haven't already, BeautyPass. BeautyPass.com.
I have no idea.
Here's the card.
How we found it.
At New Beauty. You can follow them. I know they're on the Instagram. They're called BeautyPass, though.
I imagine if you Google it, somehow I think we typed something to a number and then they
put you on a waiting list.
There is always a waiting list because everybody wants to be on this list.
Who doesn't?
Yeah.
Like Free Gift Friday? Hello.
Yeah. And you do need to buy something every once in a while or they'll stop. They will boot you.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I would say probably once a month, they have something that I am interested in.
Yeah.
They do, it's mostly skincare. They do some hair care. They do some makeup, but it's probably 80% skincare.
I would agree, yeah.
But it's high-end skincare, and it's not stuff that I want to pay full price for.
Yeah.
Like those Elizabeth Arden capsules that I had in our last empties. I got those from the Free Gift Friday. And I loved them. And I paid $12.99 for the full jar. So.
And that was what, $100 worth of?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you haven't signed up, go to BeautyPass, Google BeautyPass, Free Gift Fridays, sign up. They'll put you on the wait list. I think I got off the wait list in like a couple of weeks. Yeah. So they're constantly booting people that are not active and adding new people. So
yeah.
Your
time is coming soon.
We don't often tell you to stop what you're doing and go sign up for something, but this is worth it.
This is worth it.
It's free to sign up, which, hello, is free to sign up, and then you get free items for just shipping. Shipping is expensive. It's $12.99, but if the item's free.
But if the item is $100 skincare and you're paying $12 to
yeah.
ship, don't say anything more to us.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it. Make sure you also like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.